So now, how to add another symbol? One difficulty is that we cannot easily transform the objects because we don't see what the pose of the hand in a specific state will be. So if I add another symbol, let's say 3D object, capsule, then I don't know how to arrange it now so that it is correctly in the state. So here's a way to do it very easily. First, we go into play mode. If we go to fight, then this happens. And this is the problem that we have a collider on the capsule. And when the capsule is visible, it will automatically trigger mouse exit event, which causes the hand cursor to exit its state again. So what we need to do is we go into the capsule and remove the capsule collider. So now we go into the state that we want to have, the fight, for example. And we want the capsule to be in the hand now. To arrange it visually, we now press Ctrl+Shift+P to pause the Unity editor. Now the hand cursor remains in its state. And we can go to the capsule. And now we can transform it. For example, we can scale it down and rotate it so that it's placed in the hand as we want it. So like this, for example. So now what we next do is we go to the transform component of the capsule, right click and select copy component. Now we exit play state, go on the capsule, go on its transform component and click on paste component values. Now we copied the orientation that we arranged in the fight pose right to the base state of our object. Now let's try it again. And now fight carries this object. So now our capsule will show up in all states where we have the cursor symbol. So we need to limit the visibility. To do so, we go into the symbol pivot, add an object, and drag the capsule on this slot. Then we add a state condition and we say the capsule should activate if cursor is, and we selected the fight. In all other cases, we want to deactivate the capsule. Try again. So the capsule is not visible, but it's visible in the fight pose.